These are the newly modernized elevators at the 211 Tower in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These were originally 1960s, 70s, like late 60s, early 70s Westinghouse, but sadly they were recently modernized by Hadfield with PTL Performer. Look at the left elevator. We'll go down the parking. Yeah, I believe Hadfield did some modification, but I'm not 100% sure. Here we go down. Bounce. Here at parking. Before the PTL, these had a GAL. Jet plus VP, but to 8. Chime down here isn't as quiet. Actually, I think I just didn't cheer chime here go up. Ooh, that. Oh, no. First for some reason, then it bounced. Just had to. When I filmed these, I filmed the other elevator. When they had GAL, these were on the original controllers, just slap on mod. And this was actually a complete replacement. Because this one was in the process when I was here last time. Here at 8. This floor's gutted since I was last year. I think that's going to be the future of Top Tackle back to the lobby. MCE, ADA phone, fire service, cabinet, basic black padded elevator, carpet. Actually, I'm not sure if this is carpet. Yeah, I think that is carpet. Go back to the lobby. There it closes, and that's going to be it.